Okay, children, do you have the notes with you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, children. So, good morning to all. Let me see. Only 29 came. 29. 30 children. Yes, Tanya?
Tia is telling to admit her.
No, I just, I'm not admitting anyone. It is the security I changed. They can come and join. No worries. Okay. Okay, children. Good morning. Good morning, children. So we were learning about the types of angles, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
how
ma'am.
an angle is formed, children?
When a corner.
Ma'am.
When you see a corner, you can see one angle also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So angles are made up of two rays,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Two rays.
Yes, ma'am.
Angles are made up of two rays, right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So after learning angles, we have learned about the triangles also. We have learned the triangles, right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Angle is formed by two rays, but a triangle is formed by three angles, right?
Yes,
Yes,
So angle is the simplest basic figure, but a triangle, there are three angles in it, right, children?
yes, ma'am.
So a triangle has three angles and three sides. How many parts are there for a triangle? We learned all those.
6, ma'am. 6 parts.
Six parts are there. Three sides and three angles, right?
Three sides and three
So an
angles.
angle is different and a triangle is different.
Yes,
Triangle
ma'am.
is a polygon. Triangle is a polygon. Polygon of least sides, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Triangle is a closed figure. But an angle is not a closed figure. Angle is this basic form, shape, and from three angles we'll get a triangle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
our next topic is classification of triangles or naming of triangles. We have different types of triangles. Okay, children? So next topic is classification or naming. What do you mean by classification? Classify means we are making into different categories, right? Okay. So now next our topic is learning about more about the triangles. How we are naming on triangle. What are the specialties of triangles, right? Right, children?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
angle and triangles are different. Angle is made up of two rays and only one corner will be there. But a triangle is a closed shape with three angles. Okay. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Shall we start then?
Okay.
So our next
Yes,
topic
ma'am.
is classification of triangles.
Triangle.
Okay.
A second. Okay, children. So we can right now. Classification of
Triangle.
classification of triangles. Classification of triangles. Okay. Okay, children. So this classification is of two types. There are two types of classification. Did you read the heading, children?
Yes, ma'am.
There are two types of classification.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. A triangle has three sides and three angles, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So based on the speciality of sides, we can classify, and based on the specialities of angles also we can classify. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
So there are two types of classification. Naming of triangles based on sides and naming of triangle based on angles. Okay, children?
Okay,
Do you
ma'am.
understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am.
So there are two types of classification. First one is okay. First classification is yes. Naming of triangles. Naming of triangles, you can write. Naming of triangles based on the length of sides. Naming of triangles based on the length of sides. Here we'll take the sides. Okay, sides. So length of sides means you can draw different triangles, right, children? You can draw different triangles. So the sides means its length. Length means it will be in unit of length will be in centimeter, meter, millimeter, etc. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So length of sides means when you draw a triangle, its sides will be given like this. Sides measurements will be given. Clear, children?
Clear.
Measurements.
Yes,
Ma'am.
So it will be in
Yes, ma'am, clear.
centimeters. So how many sides are there for a triangle? Three sides.
Three
Three sides.
sides.
Okay, children. So and the first one is in that naming of triangle based on sides is based on sides. First one is all the sides are equal. Shall I give this equal sign?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All the sides are equal. That means 6 centimeter. If it is 6 centimeter, it is 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter everywhere. These three sides are of 6 centimeter.
Okay.
Okay. Three sides, all the sides are equal. Okay, children? All sides are equal. Three sides are there and these three sides are equal. Okay. It is known as equilateral triangle. EQUI. EQ means equal. Lateral
ma'am.
means you all know lateral, quadrilateral we have studied no.
Yes, ma'am. Equal.
Equilateral. Equilateral. EQ means equal. Lateral means sides. So equal sides. Equilateral triangle. So children, what do you mean by equilateral triangle? Don't write now.
Equal sides.
A triangle having all sides are equal is known as equilateral triangle.
Ma'am, do we have to do
Okay.
it here?
No need of writing now. Listen to me.
Ma'am, the heading of this is classification of triangles, no?
Yes. I did not tell you to write anything. Listen to me. Okay. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. What is the meaning of equilateral triangle, children?
Equal.
All sides
All
are
three
in the
sides are
triangle.
equal.
Equal.
Have you learned this before?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Sometimes
No,
you might
ma'am.
have learned.
Yes.
Okay, children. Equilateral triangle means all three sides are equal for a triangle. If all three sides are equal for a triangle, it is known as equilateral triangle. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am. That's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you together, will you tell what is that? EQ?
Means equilateral.
Equal sides.
Equal, ma'am.
All sides are equal. A triangle
All
having three equal sides. A triangle having three equal sides is
Three
known
equal
as
sides.
equilateral
Equilateral.
triangle. Okay. Is it okay for you?
Yes, ma'am.
You
Ma'am.
understood?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, children. So that is the first one. First one is equilateral triangle, right? Equilateral
ma'am.
triangle.
Equilateral triangle.
And second one is Now we learned about three sides are equal, right, children?
Yes,
Afterwards, we'll move to the next type. In this,
Excuse me,
two
ma'am.
sides are equal.
Ma'am,
Two
we should,
sides. Yes.
ma'am, we should write that equilateral triangle.
I told no, children. How many times I told? I'll give the notes.
Okay, ma'am.
Will I take class this much fast? I will allow you to write.
No, ma'am.
Listen to me. First you listen and understand. Later I'll give you. Okay. So we were learning about three equal sides, right, children? Three equal sides, isn't it?
Yes,
Now, this another type of triangle. In this, I will give that equal sign. You understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood,
Yes,
children?
ma'am.
Equal
Double
sign. In this, two sides are equal. Okay. If it is 6 centimeter and this is 6 centimeter and this is 5 centimeter only. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So in this, two sides are equal. Okay, children. And one side is different. It is known as isosceles. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle.
Isosceles triangle.
Isosceles. Isosceles also same in isotope, sphere like that. In this two in iso means there are two equal sides, right, children? Celes also same meaning of sides. So isosceles means two equal sides. Okay. So what
Okay,
is the
ma'am.
meaning of what is the triangle having two sides are equal?
Isosceles triangle.
Isosceles.
Isosceles
Isosceles triangle.
Isosceles
Isosceles triangle. So two
triangle.
sides are
Isosceles.
equal. In a triangle having two sides are equal is known as isosceles triangle. Okay, children. So what is the first one we learned?
Lateral triangle.
What is the first one we learned?
Equilateral
Triangle.
triangle.
What is equilateral triangle?
All sides
sides.
triangle which have equal
Sides are all three sides are equal is known as equilateral triangle. And if two sides are equal is known as
isosceles triangle.
okay. And third one is all the three sides are different. Three different sides. Three different sides. Okay. One is 6 centimeter, other is 7 centimeter, and the third one is 8 centimeter, like this.
Okay.
Okay. Different sides. All the three have no connection.
1
All
centimeter.
three are different. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, children.
Okay,
It
ma'am.
is known
Okay,
as
ma'am.
scalene. SCALENE. Scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. Scalene means all sides are, all the three sides are different. If a triangle, all three sides are different, it is known as scalene triangle. Okay? Scalene. Three different name. First, newly you are studying. It is a new term for you. Okay? So, all three sides are different. It is known as scalene triangle. I will give different, see, 1, 2 line and 3 lines. You understood? 1 line,
Yes,
2
ma'am.
line and 3 line
Yes,
means
ma'am.
three different sides. Clear, children? You
Yes,
learned
Yes,
about the
ma'am.
three triangles.
Nice.
Yes.
Okay. So what is the third one? Last one?
Clean triangle.
Scalene
Triangle.
Okay, children. Okay. Okay. So let us revise once again. Yes. Isosceles. Isolation. Not isolation. Nowadays, COVID, Corona, isolation is going on now. That is why. Isosceles.
That both are equal parts. If it is like this.
We have. Yes. In our box, we have one isosceles triangle.
Ma'am, can you pronounce that third one?
Scalene. SCA. Lean. Scalene triangle. Okay, children. So will you tell me what do you mean by an equilateral triangle?
All
Sides are equal.
When you remember, you no need of remembering with completing the sentence. You just think all three sides are equal. It is equilateral triangle. But when you write, you have to write in complete sentence. Okay. I'll give the notes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. So equilateral triangle means all three sides are equal.
Equal.
Then, if two sides are equal, it has another name.
Isosceles
Isosceles triangle. Gautam, what is the name of it? Isosceles. Okay. And the third one is three different sides. Unequal sides. It is known as scalene. Okay. Okay. I'll ask. Okay. So, John Sebi, tell me what is the name of the triangle which have three unequal sides, different sides? Different sides. Forgot? Somebody please help him.
Ma'am, can Rudra?
Ma'am, can you
see?
Yeah.
Scalene triangle.
Scalene triangle. John,
Challenge.
looking at somewhere and sitting, not listening to the class. Scalene triangle. All three different sides are known as scalene triangle. Okay, children? Three unequal sides. Unequal and scalene.
Yes.
Unequal sides. Different sides, scalene triangle. And bless me, will you tell me what is the name of the triangle with which two sides are equal? Only two sides.
Isosceles triangle.
Isosceles.
Isosceles triangle.
Isosceles triangle. Okay, good. Now, Richard, what is the name of the triangle in which all three sides are equal?
Equilateral triangle.
Equilateral triangle. Okay, children, these three triangles have many important role in mathematics. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now,
Okay, ma'am.
now, children, we will learn this.
Okay, ma'am.
triangle which has no equal side?
1 second.
Ma'am, someone is asking down, but his voice is low.
Ma'am, Manu is
Okay,
asking doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, Manu is asking doubt.
Yes, Manu,
Manu.
ask.
Ma'am, can you repeat the name of the triangle? which
Listen
has
here,
no
listen here. We have the figures. Can you see the figure, children?
Yes.
Yes.
We can see.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
Manu, look at this. Look at this. Okay. Can you see the first one? This, you don't look at this second column now. Okay. Okay, children. See, here, first figure has three equal sides. Can you see one line or two line we can use? Okay. One line or two line we can use. Either an equal sign or a one line. Single line. All three sides are equal. What is the name of the triangle, children?
Equilateral triangle.
Equilateral triangle.
Manu, understood?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. Second figure. Again, the second figure you can see two sides are equal in this. Two sides. Can you see two sides only? The marking is there. What is the name of a triangle?
Isosceles
Which two sides are equal?
Isosceles triangle.
Isosceles triangle.
Isosceles triangle.
Isosceles triangle. Very good.
Isosceles.
Isosceles
okay.
triangle.
And the last one is has no equal sides or unequal sides or different sides. We can use three words: no equal sides, unequal sides, or different sides. And its name is scalene triangle.
Scalene triangle.
Scalene triangle.
Triangle.
Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am. Clear. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So shall we
Yes,
write the
ma'am,
notes
clear.
now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you much.
Okay, children. So types of triangles on the base of length or sides. There are three types of triangle. What are the three types of triangle? Equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle. Okay.
Ma'am, so what about the first heading, classification of triangles?
One second. Okay. Now I will write. Okay, children. First heading is classification of triangles. I hope you all wrote that. Classification of triangles, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Classification of triangles.
Ma'am, then you wrote another heading.
Yes. Next subheading is this first one. Naming of triangles based on the length of sides, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Naming of triangles
Yes, ma'am.
based on the
Length of sides.
length of the
Length
sides.
of the sides.
Length of the sides. Now shall we start writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See, children, when you I'll give one rough sketch for you. Now you use your scale and pencil, but no need of taking the measurement. For you to understand, I'll just give the measurement, right, children? So
Yes.
no need of taking the measurement. Okay,
Okay.
just draw your rough sketch and write like this. First one is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. A triangle a triangle having a triangle having three equal sides. Three equal sides is called equilateral triangle. And we will draw a simple figure so that when you see that figure, you will understand it. Okay, children. So if I write 8 centimeter, it will be 8 centimeter. Everywhere it will be 8 centimeter. It does not mean that you should take 8 centimeter. Okay, no need of taking 8 centimeter. Draw a simple figure and give the measurement.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you show the
Heading.
Ma'am, I went to take the picture.
Everything. When you come for the class, you have to keep everything with you. Your instrument box with the pencil, scale, eraser, everything.
But I don't have no instrument
Everything. When you come for maths class, everything should be ready.
in this class.
Don't go for taking it in between. Finish?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Someone told no.
Yes, yes. Second one is isosceles triangle. Isosceles. Check the spelling, children. Don't make a mistake.
Triangle.
Isosceles triangle.
ISO.
A triangle having two equal sides. Is called isosceles triangle.
Finish, ma'am. Finish, ma'am.
Okay. Third one is scalene triangle.
Ma'am, can you draw the isosceles triangle and scalene triangle with the instrument in the instrument view of that triangles?
No need. No need. We just draw a simple sketch. One small one.
Mistakenly, I wrote with that.
Okay, one small one enough. Anandesh? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Later you will learn to draw a triangle properly. No need of worrying about that. A triangle having all three unequal sides. Is called a scalene triangle.
Done, ma'am.
So children, this rough sketch now, only you to understand when you see the measurement. Only for that I have given you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And not for the accuracy, no need of taking the measurement. Just write it 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and 10 centimeter. All three are different.
Finish, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Yes. So this is about naming of triangle based on sides. So, children, we have a lot of exercises in our textbook. We will one by one we'll do everything. Okay. Naming. Okay, children. So after this, there is one more classification. After that, we will do all the exercises in the textbook.
I can show the previous
Yes, yes. 1 second. Write fast.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Write fast.
Finish, ma'am. Finish, ma'am.
We have 950 second class is there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
1 second, children. Here, see, children, you can identify the triangles which you have given in that. Triangles have the length of measurement. Either these two, you don't look at here, these two. Okay, this, and this. Okay, children, can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
First,
Ma'am, I didn't finish writing, ma'am. Last word. Unequal.
Unequal sides is called
Yes,
a
triangle.
scalene triangle.
Ma'am, we have to identify this and right.
1 second. No need of writing. You just see this.
Okay.
See, first one. Look at carefully, children. Don't tell the answer now. First one. Can you see? When you see the measurement, you should identify. This centimeter. What is this? Is this based on sides or based on angles?
Ma'am, that's
Based on sides,
Two
right?
equal sides.
Based on sides, right, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
These two sides are equal and the other side is different. What type of triangle is this?
Isosceles
Isosceles triangle.
Isosceles, very good. Isosceles triangle. This is isosceles triangle. Isn't it, children? Any
Yes,
doubt?
Yes, ma'am. No doubt, ma'am.
Okay. And we'll move to the third one. This
Equilateral.
and this, it is our classification.
Equilateral triangle.
Very good. Equilateral triangle. That means 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and 5 centimeter. You understood? See in the measurement, right, children?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
This is known as equilateral triangle. So this is equilateral. Will you forget this, children?
No, ma'am.
And the third one is this one.
Scalene triangle.
4 and
Scalene
5.
triangle.
Scalene
Triangle.
So this way, whenever you see the triangle sides are given, you should identify what type of triangle it is. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Now need of drawing this, children. Now listen. Another one. Listen to it. Okay. I will ask one by one. Ready?
Yes, ma'am. Ready. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then Shreya, listen here. First one. What type of triangle it is? 5 centimeter, 4.2, 4.
Scalene triangle.
How did you understand, Shreya?
Because all the sides of the triangle are different.
So it is known as scalene triangle. Is it correct, children?
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
correct?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now, Angelina Martin, tell me the answer. Second one. 5.6, 5.65. Angelina Martin.
It is isosceles triangle. ma'am.
How did you understand it is isosceles triangle?
Because two sides are equal
Very
and
good.
one side is
It's different. Two sides are equal. That is enough because automatically the other side will be different, right, Angelina?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So it is isosceles triangle. Did you understand, children? Any problem?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Now Neha should tell the answer. Neha. Okay. Third one is 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 4 centimeter. Third one. Neha, tell.
Ma'am, equilateral triangle.
Very good. That is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Check the spelling, children. Whenever you write, you just write like this itself. Equilateral. Okay. Now we'll move to the boys. Okay, Chinmay, tell. What is the fourth one? 7 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 6 centimeter. Scalene. How did you understand it is scalene triangle?
All of the sides are different.
Different. Very good. Now Cheryl Mary, tell the answer.
Yes, ma'am. The
Last
second.
one.
Yes, ma'am. The last one is
6.2, 6.2, and 3.
ma'am. It is an
Mm.
isosceles triangle.
Isosceles triangle. How did you understand it is isosceles?
Ma'am, because two sides are equal.
Very good. Two sides are equal. Okay, children, this is isosceles. You learned, children. Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have no doubt, but can you pronounce that second one?
Isosceles.
Yeah.
Isosceles.
Isosceles.
Okay. Okay, children, shall I take the attendance now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
1 second.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 1 second. Today is 9, right?
No, ma'am. Today's
9.
10.
Today's 10. Okay. Today's 10. Okay. Okay, children. So, Adinath,
Present, ma'am.
Agne,
Present, ma'am.
Alim Sian, continuously he is absent. Alim Sian, Adil,
Present, ma'am.
Adviga,
Present, ma'am.
Alok,
Present, ma'am.
Ambrose,
Present, ma'am.
Ammu,
Present, ma'am.
Amna,
Present, ma'am.
Anandesh,
Present, ma'am.
Anandaraj,
Present, ma'am.
Angelina Jose,
Present, ma'am.
Anandesh, sorry, Anandaraj,
Yes,
where are you?
Yeah, ma'am.
Anandan, you were absent some days, no? What happened?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, sometime I can't show and I will get in computer. Some can't show.
Okay. Okay then.
Ma'am, Angelina Jose is present.
Angelina Jose present. Angelina Martin,
Present, ma'am.
Anha,
Present, ma'am.
Ayman, first,
Present, ma'am.
Bhuvani Lakshmi,
Present, ma'am.
Leswin,
Present, ma'am.
Brightlin,
Present, ma'am.
Catherine,
Present, ma'am.
Chinmay,
Present, ma'am.
Dia,
Present, ma'am.
Isha,
Present, ma'am.
Gautam,
Present,
John,
ma'am.
John Sebi,
Present, ma'am.
Neha,
Present, ma'am.
Pavitra,
Present, ma'am.
Praveen, absent.
He's present, ma'am. He's present.
He is present. Praveen is present.
And Praveen is present.
Yes. Praveen. Then Razil,
Present, ma'am.
Richard,
Present, ma'am.
Rizin,
Present, ma'am.
Rohit,
Absent, ma'am.
Rudra,
Present, ma'am.
Cheryl Mary,
She is
Shiva
present.
Gayatri.
Ma'am,
Shiva
she is
Gayatri.
present.
Yes. Shiva Gayatri. Shreya, Sri Shankar,
Present, ma'am.
Tanya,
Present, ma'am.
Manu,
Present, ma'am.
Vinayak,
Ma'am, he was there.
He's there now there. He's present.
He's present, ma'am.
Yes. Vishnu Venu,
Present.
Vaigiri.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, children. So shall I wind up, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
next
Yes, ma'am.
period
Thank you,
we will
ma'am.
continue, and I'll check the homework also.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Children,
Okay,
bye.
ma'am. Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
See you in the next class.
Okay, ma'am.